Hey guys, I'm not sure if you can figure it out, but just by taking a look at my background, I can probably tell that you know that I'm a huge fan of the Marvel Universe, especially the Infinity Gauntlet series, which came to a climax with Avengers Endgame with Thanos facing off with our favorite Avengers. Now, I couldn't pass this particular opportunity up because I saw the signature sneakers of the Mad Titan himself in collaboration with Adidas. Guys, this is the Adidas AM4 Thanos. We're going to unbox it, we're going to check it out, and actually I have one more sneaker as a surprise that I'll unbox after this one, but make sure that you watch till the end to catch that one. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have a bunch of ongoing giveaways from Jordan 4 Bread sneakers to Under Armour HOVR sneakers to the recently announced 2,000 peso mystery box giveaway, and even this JBL True Wireless TuneSound earphones. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, make sure that you join our Facebook community, and then you click the links down below for the mechanics of our giveaways. Shout out to Got Goods for providing us with the sneakers that we are unboxing today. Got Goods is the secret shop that I actually go to over at Green Hills to buy legit 100% hype sneakers. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So as you guys can see, it comes in this brown Adidas plain box, which actually gives off strong Yeezy vibes if you think about it. And if you go to the side of the sneaker of the box, it says there AM4 Thanos. AM4 is the name of the silhouette. It's actually a fast running boost sneaker. So again, it says there Thanos, and there's actually a sticker here of Marvel that says Thanos with a picture of the Mad Titan himself, designed by Jen Bartel. So if you pop the box open, this is what you guys will see. Boom! This is the AM4 Adidas Thanos. Let's take a closer look. Now, as you guys can see, the colorway is in the colors of the Mad Titan, purple and gold, which is the armor that he dons, especially during Avengers Endgame. Now, obviously, in the comics, Thanos actually wears a lot of blue. He wears some sort of like blue spandex. But for the Endgame series, it was really his purple skin and his gold armor that became his signature, and that's the colors that we see in today's, well, sneaker. Now, what are the elements that you guys have to remember or to take note of when it comes to this shoe? First, let's talk about the Marvel and Thanos elements apart from the color. If you take a look at the tongue area over here, there is a tab that has an illustration of the Mad Titan himself. Again, please do take note that they are using the comics version of Thanos for reference and not the one that appeared in Avengers Endgame. If you take a look at the left pair, it actually has the old school Infinity Gauntlet printed on the tab over there, which is again something from the comics, not from the cinematic universe. If you take a look at the sides, on the lateral sides of both sneakers, you actually have the Infinity Gems. Dots over here, they're not made of actual gems, nor do they glow up, nor are they reflective. They're just colored dots with woven material to represent the Infinity Gems. If you take a look at the medial side, you have the Marvel logo over here. Again, both sneakers, and it actually says here printed along the side, Infinite Power, copyright Marvel. Take a look at the insole, it just says there Adidas, assembled in the USA. And if you take a look at the outsole, it's your typical black rubber outsole. To those who are fans of the Ultra Boost and the Pure Boost, this actually isn't made from Continental rubber, so it is not the most durable outsole that you guys can buy from Adidas. It's just your typical black rubber outsole. Can't actually do an on-feet review for you guys because I am a size 12 and this pair is actually a size 10.5, but I have tried AM4s in the past, and I can tell you that it is more of a fast running sneaker more than anything else. The boost, as you guys can see, is not the thickest type of boost that you would see with the Pure Boost or the Ultra Boost or the EQT or the Ultra Boost 19. It is actually thinner and a bit more packed and dense. So it's not a shoe that's built 100% for cushioning. Upper on the shoe also is not the most flexible type of material. So if you guys can see, it doesn't have a lot of give, which is mainly because it is built really for foot containment and lockdown, because again, it is a performance running shoe. Which makes me think that if they were going to team up with a property such as Thanos and Marvel, which which would usually talk a lot to casual people and not actual, you know, performance runners, they probably should have went with a more casual accepted like sneaker. Maybe I don't know, like the EQT line, the NMD, the POD, heck, even with the Ultra Boost or the Pure Boost. The AM4 is not just a sneaker, it's just a sneaker that doesn't really command a lot of hype. So I think they missed an opportunity on that one, especially with the massive IP and power behind Thanos. So anyway, if you guys want to pick this particular pair up, I actually just borrowed it for this unboxing. You can check it out over at Got Goods. They are selling it for 15,000 pesos. But that's just the first sneaker that I wanted to show you guys for today. I actually have a second one, which we will unbox. Now, alongside the AM4 Thanos collaboration with Adidas, actually came the AM4 Adidas Captain Marvel. So this is for all the ladies out there. This is, well, it came out together with the Thanos sneaker. So just like the other box, it comes in this plain brown Adidas carton box. You have the details of the shoe here along the side. It says there, size 10, women's, running AM4 Captain Marvel, and you have the sticker of Captain Marvel from the comics here along the side of the box. And if you pop it open, just like our box with Thanos, you get to the actual sneaker right away. Let's take a look. Now, this is the same AM4 silhouette, so I won't talk about anymore the performance side of the shoe, and we'll just focus on the visual design elements. Now, just like the Thanos sneaker, there are like Captain Marvel elements to the shoe. Obviously, the first one being the colorway. You have the red, blue, black, and gold, which are the colors of Captain Marvel. Another added nice touch is the fact that they use some sort of like space or galactic print for the upper, which is of course Captain Marvel, being that space girl, space cowboy, space police that she is a nice added touch to the shoe. If you take a look at the print, you have the comics version of Captain Marvel on the right pair, and you have on the left pair her logo, which is that I don't know how many pointed star which she uses as her crest. If you take a look at the lateral side of the shoe, you have that same logo, and on the middle side, you have Marvel printed on it on both sneakers. Now, there isn't like a loud statement like Infinite Power with Thanos printed. It just has the 3 stars and copyright Marvel. And just like the Thanos sneaker, if you peep on the insole, it actually says there, assembled in the USA. Both sneakers are available over at Got Goods, so if you want to check it out, please do watch my review of the Green Hill Secret Shop. I will put a link down below so you guys can get like a closer look at what the shop looks like and where you can find it should you want to cop either of both sneakers, the Thanos AM4 or the Captain Marvel AM4. Now, before we wrap up our vlog for today, let me just share with you that I actually made this video to tease you guys for our next video, which is all about a Marvel haul. I actually dropped by the Marvel at 80 years celebration over at SM. By the way, Marvel is 80 years old. Seriously, 80. The only person I know older than that is Juan Ponce Enrile, the immortal vampire of the Philippines. But anyway, so yeah, I dropped by the 80-year celebration of Marvel where they also announced their partnership with SM. And I brought home a 10,000, more than 10,000 pesos actually, haul of different Marvel merchandise and items, which I'll be sharing with you guys in our next vlog. Please make sure to watch that vlog because I will be giving away an amazing premium item from Marvel. To give you guys a tip, it looks like one of those shiny things at my background. So if you're a fan of Thanos, if you're a fan of Marvel, or if you've been wanting any of the Infinity Gauntlets that you see at my back, make sure that you guys watch tomorrow's vlog. And of course, this video wouldn't be complete without our power-up words of wisdom for today. And for today's special guest, I actually have a fellow sneaker Filipino YouTuber, Manuel of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Actually met up with him the first time he came back to the Philippines and he started this YouTube channel. I did a collaboration video with him. We actually have like videos on his channel right now, so guys, check it out if you haven't yet. We did like a bunch of dope content which I think you guys will love and appreciate. But anyway, let's hear from Manuel and I'll see you guys back in a few.
Okay, so I'll be talking about setting up goals because goals are very, very important. You must have a goal so that you have a direction. If you don't have direction, then it will go haywire. For me, ever since I was a kid, I always set goals for myself. I always wanted to be the best in what I do because I know I cannot be always the best. But if I urge and work hard for being the best, at least I'll be on top. You know, it's always important to set up a goal so that every time you do something, you can, work on it, and you know how to work hard because you know what you want to achieve. Again, this is Manuel. My channel is Lifestyles and Sneakers. The link can be found in the description box down below. Please also follow our social media accounts. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and recently we just opened our Snapchat.
Thanks, Manuel. Guys, make sure that you subscribe to his YouTube channel. The link can be found below. Let's support good people. Let's support people, especially Filipino sneaker YouTubers. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our quick but fun vlog for today. I hope you're all having a great week, and I pray that you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.